As you can maybe hear, I'm next to farmland and I'm next to the airport. In amongst all this beauty are these nasty little buggers. Scotch thistle. Normally they try and knock this stuff down. It's sitting in a little park here. They normally try and knock it down so that it doesn't get into farm fields like this. Look at these guys. This truck got stuck, and these farm tractors made very short order of getting this guy out. Now they're taking their first crop of hay off, and they're having to cut it and truck it to dry it. They've just had no time to dry this hay in the fields, none at all. So off in the far distance there, that you can see another truck lining up, and they've got one of these units that just takes the hay and just tosses it in the back of the truck. Cool. Okay, some more nice flowers here, and I really hope this turns out, because here is this great little caterpillar. It's going to be raw footage. Okay, and there's another one down in here. He's moving around. And you can see the spit coming off of these plants as they grow. This is the Scotch thistle. Nasty stuff. Oh my goodness, this caterpillar's huge. There's another guy down here. Got a bee grabbing pollen, I guess. Fly, fly me to the moon. So here's the airport. Yukon Air is in. The Orange Beast. And they've had another truck show up for this farm field here. I'm going to try and shoot this again here without the zoom on with these caterpillars. When I get home, I can determine which is the better way. This guy here, he's making headway. He's gone all the way down that branch. Here's another guy. Oh, we've got Air Canada just showed up. I do like this park. It's nice. There's a walking trail that goes all the way around the airport. But I find this little spot to be nice. It's virtually private. Every time I've come here, there's never been anybody here. And see if this bee sticks around, or this other type of. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Land on something, you silly thing. Oh, there's a beehive of activity, as they say. Let's see if I can catch this guy now. Nope. Okay. Sunday. And that's all she wrote.